Good morning from the National Weather Service office in San Angelo, Texas. This is your weekly weather briefing, updated on Monday, August 19th, 2024. Our key points for this week: very hot temperatures are expected to continue through at least the middle of the week, with high temperatures approaching excessive heat warning criteria, which is 110 degrees, across portions of the Big Country and Concho Valley. Elevated fire weather conditions will continue through the week, especially across the Big Country, due to the continued hot and dry conditions and minimum relative humidity values of 15 to 25%. Otherwise, a pattern change by this weekend could usher in slightly cooler temperatures as we go into next week. For today, again, expect very hot temperatures across all of west central Texas, with highs ranging from the upper 90s across the northern Edwards Plateau to 106 to 110 degrees across the Big Country and Concho Valley. Expect southeast winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour, with occasional higher gusts in the afternoon, with relative humidity values of 15 to 20%. And again, that will lead to elevated fire weather conditions, especially across the Big Country down into the Concho Valley. Again, we do have that heat advisory in effect today from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. for the Big Country, Concho Valley, and the Heartland. Temperatures of 105 to 109 degrees are expected, and this will lead to an increased risk of heat-related illnesses. So again, if you are going to spend extended amounts of time outdoors this afternoon, be sure to hydrate, wear light clothing, and take breaks when you are able to. And taking a look at our triple-digit temperatures expected through this week, the hottest temperatures are expected Tuesday through Friday, especially on Wednesday and Thursday, when we could see parts of the area approach or even exceed 110 degrees. And again, this may necessitate the need for excessive heat warnings, especially for our Big Country counties down into the Concho Valley, so including Abilene, Sweetwater, San Angelo. And as we go into this weekend, again, the upper level high pressure that has been parked over us the last 7 to 10 days looks to begin to move off to the north of Texas, which should allow our temperatures to cool slightly on Saturday and Sunday and going into next week. But until then, again, we are expecting the hottest temperatures of this current heat wave coming up these next 3 to 4 days. So again, make sure that you are practicing heat safety, especially if you're going to be spending time outdoors. And looking at the drought summary, nothing has really changed since last week. Still looking at abnormally dry to moderate drought across the northern two-thirds of the area down into the northern Edwards Plateau. And looking at the 6 to 10 day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center, again expecting above normal temperatures through most of the rest of the month, although we are looking at potentially a pattern change as we go into next week. So we'll have to keep an eye on how things evolve with the forecast. But at least through this week, expect those very hot temperatures to continue and mostly dry conditions as well. Thank you for listening to this briefing. I expect an updated briefing by 12 p.m. on Thursday, August 22nd. Otherwise, have a good week and stay cool.